There are places on Earth so strange that even science struggles to explain them. Locations that challenge everything we think we know about reality. Imagine an island where hundreds of decaying dolls hang from trees, their lifeless eyes following your every move. Or picture a fiery pit in the middle of a desert, burning nonstop for decades, a blaze that no human effort has been able to extinguish. These are just a few of the enigmas we'll explore in this video as we uncover 5 of the most mysterious places on Earth, places that defy logic and demand explanation. For centuries, humans have sought to understand the world around them. Science has provided many answers, yet some places remain untouched by logic, continuing to puzzle experts and travelers alike. From ancient ruins with origins lost to time to natural phenomena that seem to defy the laws of physics, these locations leave even the sharpest minds questioning what they know. In this video, we'll explore 5 places that challenge our understanding of the world. Some are feared, others revered, but all share one thing in common. They raise more questions than answers. As we count down to number 1, each location becomes more unbelievable. Stay with me until the end. You won't believe what secrets may be buried beneath the ice. The Island of the Dolls, Mexico. Deep within the canals of Xochimilco, just south of Mexico City, lies a place straight out of a nightmare. The Island of the Dolls, or La Isla de las Muñecas, is covered in hundreds of old decaying dolls, hanging from trees, nailed to posts, and scattered across the ground. But why? The story begins with Don Julian Santana, a man who lived alone on the island. According to legend, he believed the spirit of a drowned girl haunted the area, and to appease her restless soul, he began collecting and hanging dolls. But instead of bringing peace, the island only became more eerie. Visitors today report an unsettling atmosphere. Some say the dolls' eyes follow them, others claim to hear faint whispers carried by the wind. Is this just imagination running wild, or is there something truly supernatural here? No one knows for sure. But one thing is certain, the Island of the Dolls remains one of the creepiest places on Earth. The Gate to Hell, Turkmenistan. Imagine standing at the edge of a massive fiery pit, feeling the searing heat on your face, an inferno that has been burning for over 50 years. But here's the real mystery. No one knows exactly when it will stop. In the heart of the Karakum Desert, the Darvaza gas crater, better known as the Gate to Hell, is a massive flaming sinkhole that looks like something from another world. But how did this inferno come to exist? In 1971, Soviet geologists were drilling for natural gas when the ground beneath them collapsed, creating a huge crater. Fearing the release of toxic gases, they decided to set the pit on fire, believing it would burn out in a few days. That was over 5 decades ago, and the flames still rage on. Scientists have studied the site, but the exact amount of gas remaining is unknown. Meanwhile, the crater has become an unlikely tourist attraction, drawing adventurers who stand at its edge, staring into the flames. Some believe it's a warning from nature, a reminder of humanity's impact on the planet. Others see it as a gateway to something far more sinister. But if you think this place is bizarre, what lies beneath the waves might change everything we know about history. Yonaguni Monument, Japan. Off the coast of Japan, beneath the crystal-clear waters of Yonaguni Island, lies a massive stone structure that has baffled scientists for decades. Known as the Yonaguni Monument, this underwater formation consists of massive, precisely cut steps, terraces, and what appears to be a pyramid-like shape. But the real mystery? No one knows whether it's a natural formation or the remains of an ancient civilization lost to time. Discovered by a diver in 1986, the monument sits 25 meters below the ocean's surface. Some geologists argue that it's simply the result of natural erosion, but others point to its sharp angles, distinct carvings, and what some believe to be ancient inscriptions. If it was man-made, it could suggest an advanced civilization existed here long before recorded history. Divers who have explored the site describe an eerie feeling, as if something is watching them from the depths. Could this be the lost city of an unknown civilization? Or is it just another trick of nature? The debate continues, but one thing is certain. This is one of the greatest underwater mysteries ever discovered. The Great Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. The Great Pyramids of Giza, one of the seven wonders of the ancient world, remain one of the greatest enigmas of human history. How did the ancient Egyptians manage to build such colossal structures with such precision over 4,500 years ago? And what was their true purpose? While Egyptologists agree on some aspects, many still debate how the Egyptians transported and assembled the massive stones. Some theories suggest the use of ramps, counterweights, and advanced engineering techniques. Yet even with modern technology, many aspects of their construction remain a puzzle. And what's even more puzzling is the alignment of the pyramids with the stars, particularly the precise positioning of the Great Pyramid to the constellation of Orion. Was this intentional, or did the ancient builders possess knowledge that we have yet to understand? Beyond their construction, there are also mysteries inside the pyramids themselves. Hidden chambers, secret passageways. What secrets do they hold? The fact that these massive structures have stood for millennia, undisturbed and still shrouded in secrets, only adds to their intrigue. But if you think these mysteries are mind-blowing, just wait until you hear about a place so remote and unexplored that its very existence raises more questions than answers. Antarctica's hidden secrets. At the southernmost point of the Earth lies an expanse so remote and frozen that it has remained largely unexplored. Antarctica. Beneath its thick ice, researchers have discovered unusual anomalies, vast subglacial lakes, unexplained heat sources, and even meteorites that hold clues to the early solar system. But some believe there's more hidden beneath the ice, evidence of a lost civilization, or even something not of this world. With most of its secrets still buried under miles of ice, Antarctica remains one of the last great frontiers of mystery. Could the truth about our planet's history be hidden here? These 5 places, each one more mysterious than the last, have captivated explorers and scientists for years. Whether they are remnants of ancient civilizations, natural anomalies, or something beyond our understanding, they all share one thing in common. They challenge everything we know about the world. Some mysteries are meant to be solved. Others may remain hidden forever. The real question is, are you ready to uncover them?